back to BA Performance for another episode, guys. What are we doing today, Marshall?
Today we're going to change out the fog lights on this 2003 4runner 4th gen. Should be a pretty simple job. I had one side that's been out since I bought it, and I pulled that bulb out to make sure that I got the right one. We're upgrading to LED.
Are those actual AUXBEAMs?
These are from AUXBEAM. They're only 20 bucks.
That's a pretty good deal.
So, yep, and that, I think they were like 15 bucks and then 5 bucks shipping. So.
Okay, I mean, that's still not bad. You're gonna spend that easily at parts store, if not more.
Buying this one probably.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, I took this one out already. It's pretty simple. You just twist it.
And unplug it.
And twist it and unplug it. So we'll show you that on the other side.
All right.
So it's this red plug, the one more towards the inside of the vehicle. So pretty simple. What you can do is just turn it and it'll pull right out. And then you can unplug it by pushing in the tab on this side. Maybe. Yeah, and then it just comes out. You can also unplug it before you take it out too. The new AUXBEAM LED. Line the holes up. I can't see because I'm on a bad angle. Okay, so you line the holes up and then turn it 40 degrees or so to lock it in. Maybe that's it.
Yeah, you should be all right.
Okay, and plug it back in.
Pull that other one out and let them see the difference.
So yeah, these are the two bulbs. You probably see it best that way.
So there's an LED on both sides, and this is actually still plastic.
Yeah.
But
yeah, that's plastic, but then it has the same like pattern on it.
Yep, same style bulb, just LED.
Okay, so we're gonna put this one on the other side.
All right.
It's pretty nice one.
That one, oh yeah, you already got that one undone.
Oh, it does not turn the plug open. Okay, and it's locked in. And we'll just plug it in. There. Oh, this one looks broken.
Oh, maybe that's why that one wasn't working.
Oh no, the film was definitely broke. Oh yeah, still fits in. Just inside.
And zip tie if you need to.
Alright, we're gonna drop it down and test it out.
All right. Well, looks pretty good. And lenses are pretty hazy.
Yeah, that's so bad. That was terrible.
Yeah, that's all right though. We get something new.
I did go for the amber color, but
yeah,
it's pretty dope. I wish I just now wish that one was clear as this one.
Yeah.
And this one will be cleaned up too, honestly.
Well, honestly, we on that same note, we have something coming that will take care of it. That one will have to open up probably because that one looks like there's moisture in there.
Yeah, it looks like moisture.
But I can clean up all these lights.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Alright guys, that's how you swap out the fog light bulbs in your 4th gen 4runner. Thanks for watching BA Performance. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you'd like to get one of these cool stickers and support our channel, I'll leave a link in the description.
Peace out. Broadcast performance is what it stands for.